Welcome to this tutorial on aspect-oriented programming in Spring. AOP allows developers to modularize cross-cutting concerns in their code. This helps in achieving better separation of concerns and makes the code more maintainable. Before we dive in, we need to understand some basic concepts of AOP. Firstly, let's talk about aspects. An aspect is a module that encapsulates cross-cutting concerns such as logging, security, caching, etc. These concern modules are then applied to the code base via join points. A join point is a point in the program execution where an aspect can be applied. Examples of join points are method invocations, object creation, field access, etc. Join points are specified using point cuts, which are essentially expressions that match join points in the code base. Now let's see how we can use AOP in Spring. In Spring, we use aspects and advices to achieve AOP. An advice is an action taken by the aspect at a particular join point. There are different types of advices such as before, after, around, etc. To apply AOP in Spring, we need to define aspects and advices in a separate module or aspect class. We then configure these aspects in our Spring application context using the aspect.proxy tag. Now we can use point cut expressions to specify which methods in the codebase should be intercepted by the aspect. For example, we can use annotation to match methods annotated with a specific annotation. That's it. You now know the basics of AOP in Spring. Try experimenting with different types of advices and point cut expressions to get a better understanding of how AOP can help modularize cross-cutting concerns in your codebase. Thanks for watching and happy coding!